Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's go to the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and here tap on System Update. Now your device will basically check for the updates. If you wish, you can also tap on this button, and your device can show you two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.